Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a new website. In this video we will take a complete review of the token. So let's get started. But if you are new on this channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about all the new coming videos, and hit the like button and give your reviews in the comment section. So let's start. Today the topic of discuss is Meta Gold Reward. In this video we will take about Meta Gold Reward. If you had invest $100 in SafeMoon on its launch, you now have $8 million by MetaGold. About community tokenomics roadmap FAQ. Your MetaGold rewards. This might be your second chance. MetaGold, the first and only coin, rewards daily in USDT. 11.25% broker fees sent to all holders. A definitionally coin that increase in value exponentially over time. The earlier you invest, the more benefits you earn. How to invest? Join the Telegram community. Contract BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, Coin Alpha, MetaMask, Nemex, DX tolls. The highest returning rewards coin that earns you up to 50% return per month just for owning it. MetaGold Reward is a new coin that provides a passive income stream to its holder. Invest in MetaGold. Earn rewards on all transactions. 11% buy, 50%, 25% sell. Paid out daily in USDT. Just to be clear, by holding MetaGold, you earn money every time someone buy or sells the coin. An easier way to reach financial freedom. You earn passive income because of the fees on every transaction. These are 11% on buy and 25% on every sales rewards. This means every time you check your wallet, you are going to see more rewards in USDT. You can claim your USDT daily by clicking your MetaGold rewards button in your website. Because of the Binance Smart Chain system, you can rely on your USDT coin being delivered to your daily. MetaGold gives you to the opportunity to achieve financial freedom, whatever that means to you. Sitting on the beach or doing whatever it is you want. Especially has an early investors. How we perfect your investment at the end of the day. You want to know that your investment is safe and is actually making your money. MetaGold coins accomplish this because of three basic principles: increasing demand, dispensing supply, protection from wells. Increasing the value of your coins. More demand. MetaGold has an aggressive daily marketing strategy, a community of savvy investors to spread the word. More volume means higher rewards. Less supply or minimal decreases supply. Circulating supply become increasingly limited as more people hold the coin. Less supply protecting you from market manipulation. Total protection and anti-value protection programmed into the blockchain. Founding team connect to sell their supply as per the rules. Liquidity pools locked for 79 years. Link they protect your investment from devastating sales of by a powerful few, giving you peace of mind and unparalleled capital gains. The results: the hash earning USDT rewards coin that generates daily passive income wells. Skyrocketing marketing cap to the moon. How to invest? Join the Telegram community. MetaGold is the next SafeMoon. Fortune favors the bold. Those how investors early have the potential to reap the greatest rewards. Become an early investor. What makes MetaGold different? MetaGold is the highest earning rewards coin so that you can generate more passive income faster. 6% full-time employees to support the growth of MetaGold. 10% of supply is allocated towards charity. How to invest? Step 1. Create a MetaMask wallet or Trust Wallet. First, create a MetaMask wallet using either a desktop computer or an iOS Android mobile device. Click here. Secondly, add the BSC Smart Chain to your wallet. Network name Smart Chain. New RPCUR HTTPS BSC data USAID Binance ORG chain ID 56 symbol BNB block explorer URL. Step 2, purchase and send BNB to your wallet. Transfer BNB to your MetaMask wallet from exchange like Binance. Make sure to use the BEP20 network when. To learn now how to send BNB to MetaMask wallet, watch this video. Step 3, connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Access your wallet with PancakeSwap by clicking connect to a wallet and selecting MetaMask. Click here to access PancakeSwap. From PancakeSwap, you can start swapping as soon as you have BNB available. Press select to token and enter the token address contract. With PancakeSwap, go to setting and enter the following slippage. Use 40% slippage rate. Watch instruction video below if you need more instruction. If you have a trust wallet, use this setting to import MetaGold. Step 4, how do I get my rewards? Import the USDTs, contact to your MetaMask to review the rewards daily USDT spot. BSC, simply add USDT BSC token address to your MetaMask or trust wallet address. Token holders enter a queue to review rewards. Watch the instruction video below. Watch the video to see how to buy MetaGold award coin. You can invest in MetaGold reward on our website with auto slippage. Connect. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, आपके सामने connect your wallet powered by Pocoin.app. Together we will be unstoppable. Our mission is to become the greatest reward coin on the planet. Our primary mission is to connect a unified community of passionate investors who want to benefit from our passive income opportunity. About our team. How to invest, join the Telegram community. Technomics. All holders of the MetaGold coin will receive USDT rewards whenever a trading occurs. 11% reward tax buy, 25% reward tax sell, 1% liquidity tax to stabilize price. We are here to stay with the leadership team. Locked down the liquidity pool for 79 years. Link below. Quality pool locked by Mudara. Roadmap, join the first wave of early investor to win big. Winning is not everything, is the only thing. Phase 1, introduction MetaGold to the world. Early investor, click here. Log supply for marketing and contribution. Establish community channels. Reach 3,000 Telegram members. Phase 2, grow market cap value quickly. Launch successfully. Secure certification, become listed on CoinMarketCap. Launch YouTube influencers. Reach 5,000 Telegram members. Large marketing combined. Applied certification for contract. Reach 5,000 holders. Phase 3, sustainable growth toward 1 billion market cap. Become listed on CoinGecko. Reach 10,000 Telegram members. Promotional giveaway in community event. Larger marketing campaign. Reach 10,000 holders. Create MetaGold NFT. How to invest, join the Telegram community. Event, the highest earning rewards coin on the planet. Powerful marketing intelligence. Building a community of passionate investors. Without a sense of care, there can be no sense of community. Join the community. How to invest, MetaGold rewards. And so friends, our video about MetaGold rewards token end here, and we will meet again with the new website. Okay, bye.